warning in effect until 9 p.m. this evening. What? Blizzard conditions reducing visibility to 1/4 mile or less in blowing snow. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. Where? Portions of central and west central Minnesota. When? Until 9 p.m. this evening. The following impacts are expected. Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the evening commute. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Road conditions can also be found at 511mn.org in Minnesota or 511wi.gov in Wisconsin. Now the forecast for central Minnesota, from St. Cloud to the